गाइस वेलकम बैक टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल रश्मि राय फिटनेस। मैं अपने शूट के लिए तैयार हो रही थी तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं अपना बेसिक सा मेकअप जो करती हूँ अपने सारे शूट्स के लिए, बिकॉज वो फिटनेस के शूट्स हैं तो वो आप लोगों को रिकॉर्ड करके दिखाऊं। बिकॉज अगर वो आप चाहें तो आप अपने अरे मेरे बाल को क्या हो गया यार, वो चाहे तो आप अपने जिम में भी पहन के जा सकते हैं बिकॉज बहुत बेसिक सा होता है। वो बेसिकली आपके स्किन को थोड़ा सा कवर और ग्लो करता है। आई होप यू विल लाइक दिस वीडियो। प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड कमेंट। थैंक यू। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये है मेरी बिल्कुल बेसिक स्किन। मैंने इसमें अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है, थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइजर के अलावा। तो अब हम देखेंगे कि हम इस स्किन को कैसे बहुत ग्लोई और ब्यूटीफुल बना सकते हैं। आई होप आपको मेरा पसंद आएगा मेकअप, बिकॉज मैं मेकअप बहुत कम करती हूँ। आई एम नो मेकअप एक्सपर्ट। आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग कि मुझे कौन सा बेसिक सा मेकअप अच्छा लगता है। एंड थैंक गॉड मेरे बाल थोड़े से स्टेप इज मैक का प्रेप प्राइम। आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं। आई एम जस्ट शोइंग कि मैं कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करती हूँ। तो सबसे पहले हम प्राइमर यूज करेंगे। प्राइमर यूज करने से आपकी स्किन एक्चुअली थोड़ी सी प्रिपेयर हो जाती है फॉर द मेकअप। मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि बोलूँ या लगाऊं, बट या जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट आप बहुत जेन्युइनली उसको यूज करें और अपने फेस पे लगाएं सो दैट आपकी स्किन प्रिपेयर हो सके। डोंट फॉरगेट द फोरहेड ऑल्सो because I usually forget. And guys, please excuse my hair today. I don't know what's wrong with it. Put the primer, let it settle down for some like 2-3 minutes. You can actually grab some water or just look around or make a video. And then once the primer has set in, just spray something. I'll show you which one. MAC का Prep Plus Prime Fix It मैं यूज़ करती हूँ। ये आप कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इससे क्या होता है आपके फेस को एक थोड़ा सा सेटल हो जाता है आपका फेस जो आपने प्राइम लगाया है। एंड देन लेट इट सेट डाउन। लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज कर सकते हैं। मैं ये यूज करती हूँ। स्किन यूजुअली अच्छी रहती है, इतने इश्यूज नहीं है। आई डोंट नो अभी क्यों हो रहे हैं, बट इतने इश्यूज रहते नहीं है। सो आई बेसिकली यूज कंसीलर। द कंसीलर दैट आई यूज इज डियोर का फॉरएवर स्किन करेक्ट. You can use any, but I love this. I can tell you this works. Basically, the first thing I do is I prep my eyes because क्योंकि जिम का मेकअप है तो आपको इतना मेकअप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. So I just prep my eyes a bit. You can correct छोटा छोटा सा blemishes that you see. Actually इतने blemishes मेरे हैं नहीं जितना ये इसमें दिखा रहा है, but yeah. You can soak a sponge, you can use any, and then make sure कि आप इसको बहुत clean और dry रखें, because अगर ये clean नहीं होता है इससे बहुत सारे acne के issues लोगों को होते हैं. So make sure it's clean. Great tip, huh? So with this, just make sure that you merge it properly with the skin. Give a lot of time to concealer and the base because वही main reason है gym makeup में, because और इतना कुछ heavy हम use नहीं करते हैं. I don't do a lot of contouring and everything. And you will see only with a good concealer, it can do so much to your skin. Huh? You will see in front of your eyes.
Guys, also I'm very happy that I'm quite regular with YouTube. मुझे लगा नहीं था, मुझे लगा कि जैसे आप लोगों का रेजोल्यूशन जिम के लिए कभी पूरा नहीं होता है, मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं इतनी रेगुलर वीडियोस बना पाऊंगी. बट आप लोगों ने काफ़ी मोटिवेशन दिखाया एंड देन यू पीपल हैव सपोर्टेड अ लॉट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट.
इस बात पे अगर नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अभी भी लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो. एक किसी को मोटिवेशन मिल जाएगी. आपका क्या जाता है, एक फ्री है यार वो सब्सक्राइब का बटन. जस्ट हिट सब्सक्राइब, लाइक. एंड यू नो आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट आप लोगों के सामने मैं मेकअप करूँगी तो आपको दिखेगा कि कैसे एक बेसिक सा मेकअप. सी आई एक्चुअली इफ आई वॉन्ट आई कैन गो अहेड विद दिस बेसिक मेकअप ऑल्सो. आई थिंक माई आईज दे लुक ब्राइट and lit up. Sorry, I have not gone to parlor. I need to go. Yeah. So this is the final after the concealer. You can look how my skin is glowing. It's basically whenever you use products, make sure that you use good products because आप अपने स्किन पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. We do so much for our skin and our hair. मेरे hair को तो छोड़ दो आज. So make sure you use a good product and expiry ना हो, ये ना हो आपने 2 साल पहले खरीदा हो, यूज़ ना किया और आप अब यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So tip number 2, make sure that you use the products that are not expired and fresh. You love your skin, right? So let the concealer sit down for some time before we apply some light eye makeup. Before I show you that how to apply the eye makeup, I use Sephora का Feline Instinct Gold Edition. I think it's a fairly good one. I mean इसमें ना सारे के सारे बहुत pastel colors and the colors that I like. Oh my god. सो बेसिक माई फेवरेट वन आपको पता लगेगा जिसमें गड्ढा बना हुआ है, ऑफकोर्स वो मेरा फेवरेट है. तो मैं बहुत ही पेस्टल और अर्थल टोन्स यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज एज आई सेड इट्स अ जिम मेकअप और हम चाहते नहीं है कि हमारा फेस बहुत ग्लैम्ड अप दिखे. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस कलर, yeah, this one and this one. So you just mix, so it becomes little brownish and start applying. Simple. I don't think so we need tips. You know, it's makeup is something which is very intuitional. I mean, वो आपके दिल से आता है how you want to look and it's very personal and relative. It's like अलग अलग टाइप को लोगों को अलग अलग टाइप का कपड़ा पहनना पसंद है, अलग अलग लोगों को अलग अलग फैशन पसंद है. So you can't actually make it like कि इस तरीके से ही करो. There are so many people who do it so differently. So मैं तो इतना कोई expert नहीं हूँ because firstly I don't like a lot of makeup and secondly my profession is such कि जिम में इतना सारा makeup का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता. So you can already make out a difference. That's how my face looks here and then how it looks here. I think it looks better without eyeshadow. So just apply. I don't think so this needs a lot of trick. You know, you just have to apply the brush. ऐसे गोल 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 घुमाना है गाइस. अरे मैं सेफोरा की बात कर रही हूँ और सेफोरा का ही मैसेज आया यार, कोई सेल है. How many of you are like मेकअप पे बहुत सारा आप लोग खर्च करते हो? Because मैं तो एक बार खरीद लेती हूँ, so till the time it doesn't get expired, I use it like अच्छे से. Yeah, so this is how my eyes look. I don't think so there's a lot of difference you can see because like I said it's like pastel earthen, little shiny to your eyes. So make sure that you rub it properly and merge it and then let it settle down. एक के ऊपर एक और कोट लगाने से ना कोई फायदा नहीं है. So just let it settle down. Yeah. So let's keep it to minimum. हम नहीं चाहते कि हम बहुत decked up लगे अपने शूट के लिए. Before we go and apply some mascara, I am not gonna put eyeliner or something. I'll just put a bit of kajal. This is like colossal kajal, but I think I use Lakme, but मिल नहीं रहा है कहीं पे रखा हुआ. तो काजल तो कुछ भी हो, थोड़ा सा काला सा होना चाहिए और क्या. सफेद भी हो सकता है, but yeah. So we pull it down. See the difference? It just brights up your face. As you can see that without foundation भी my face is looking fine. I think as for me it's looking fine. तो आप ऐसे भी पता कर सकते हैं कि whether you want to use your foundation all the way or not. For example, अगर आप सुबह जिम करने जा रहे हो तो हल्का सा if you want to look little like good and nice, you can actually just work with a concealer if you have a fairly good skin. तो अब जैसे कि हमारी आईज हो चुकी हैं, थोड़ा मस्कारा एंड वो दैट लगा लेते हैं एंड देन वी विल गो टू द फाउंडेशन. डोंट फॉरगेट हमने फाउंडेशन अभी तक यूज नहीं किया है.
I used to find this scary a lot. Still a little scary, but yeah. I need to buy a new one also. This one.
Old mascara which is almost empty. I use it as a brush. Not that I don't have other brushes, but I find it थोड़ा सा ना वो काला सा टच भी दे देता है. And you know it combs your brows also. And actually क्योंकि मैं तो थोड़ा सा ना I'm trying to thicken my this thing. In between guys, राधिया ने मेरे लिए कॉफी भिजवाई है, so I'm trying out the coffee.
दादी की और हॉट वाली बनी.
Oh, it's hot and it's yummy. You know the advantage of having a daughter. Say hi. Hello. Oh, she has hair like me, यार. It's so messed up hair, यार. To where we were. So I was saying कि जो आपका कोई पुराना कोई मस्कारा हो and if you don't want to invest in a brush, तो आप उसको ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं. And I think the brows are ready. You can see they already look thick now. Mascara I'm using of Clinique Chubby Lash. I think it's nice. You will only see the difference yourself. Guys, you have to bear with me because I'm looking at the camera. How does my eye look now? See, it's basic ना, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं लगेगा, बट जैसे हमने शुरू किया था से लेकर अभी तक, you know, it's looking so nice and we have still not used फाउंडेशन. आ चुकी है फाउंडेशन की. I use Dior का Forever Skin Glow. I really love it. It's very light and It's very simple. So basically इसमें क्या है? It's a pump. So you have to pump it. And that's it. It is simple. Put it on your face. Try to avoid the areas you have already used concealer so that it doesn't. If you want, you can use. There are no hard rules. I try to do it this way, not putting it on the areas that had concealer. This is the very important part. Very, very important because you have to give it time to settle. Make sure you don't leave that nose ka corners. Give it good like 5 to 10 minutes. And trust me, you will see the major difference if you actually merge it properly and then let it settle down and not just quickly go on from one step to another. It's a process, it's an art. Enjoy it. I don't know if you people can see a difference after I have applied foundation, but yeah, I think it's looking more nice and bright. After foundation, it's very important that you let it settle down. So let it settle down, grab some coffee. If you have a daughter, she'll give it to you. If you don't have, go make one. So after like 5-10 minutes, I think it has settled down and it looks more nice, glowing, and actually my skin type. Also, one another tip that I want to give here is whenever you buy foundation, I always try the foundation on your face skin, never on your arms, because the skin color is very different. So I always use it, and I sometimes actually get the makeup done on my face whenever I'm in MAC and Sephora, and then I buy it. It's very important that you buy the right foundation because a darker shade will make you look very dark while a lighter one will make you like a bhoot. So you want to look your skin. We are beautiful any which way. You would like to spray again the spray that I showed you, MAC ka, because I use it before and I also use it post the foundation. So you just spray. Magic it does to your skin. I'm a huge fan. I think I've been using this since like whenever it was launched. So that's what the loyalty. It's time for my favorite, which is blush. I love blush. Love it. And I love highlighter. Love it. So I'm using Lakme ka Absolute blush, and it has actually two colors clapped together. You can actually use both. You can use a lighter one, darker one as you wish. We will use a lighter one because it's a gym shoot. And we don't want to make fun of ourselves. No one makes fun of us. We can do whatever we want to do. I think I'm looking so nice, yeah. I think makeup is nice. It's tiresome to apply, but once you put it, it makes you look so different. कौन है जो मुझे नहीं जानता? अरे यार मुझे सारे के सारे डायलॉग्स और गाने याद आते हैं मेकअप करते वक्त ना. I think the makeup is coming through now. Now we have applied blush. You can't see it much maybe, but then what do you think? We are looking changed or is it same? And also let me know if you people are fan of makeup or you like me who doesn't like a lot of makeup. Time for the showstopper, and the showstopper is Sephora ka highlighter. I love it. 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 You will love it too. So basically, I'm very generous when it comes to highlighter. I can put it everywhere. I put it here. I put it here. I put it here. And I put it here. Don't forget to put the other side also. Let's do the same. There's no other side to nose and there's no other side to lip. So yeah. It's time for lips. On lips, I am using, I think it's Dior's, I forgot. Yeah, it's Dior's Lip Glow Oil. I bought it before it was in trend. Not that I copied it, but, just look at it and see for yourself. Your lips, and it's like a nourisher for your lips, and it gives like. Okay, guys. So this was it. So this was it. This is how we look. Just pump up your hair. Pose, pose, pose. And we are ready. After some time, I think my hair has decided to settle down a bit. So we look more like a human being. So yeah, so this was a tutorial for the gym shoe that I am doing today. You can also wear this basic minimum makeup outside for a market shopping. Also, if you want to wear it to your gym, you can do that. I think you would look lovely with this because it's basic. Anybody can do it. It's easy. It's easy peasy. So before we wrap this up, let me just quickly do a recap of the things that I have used. Okay, so we used Dior ka Forever foundation. This was a concealer. This was the palette that I used. Kajal. This was the primer. MAC ka. Dior. Oh, oops. Clinique ka mascara. Lakme ka blush. Sephora ka highlighter. And Dior ka lip oil. I think I have not forgotten anything to show, but in case I have forgotten, please rewind and see it again. I think I'm loving my makeup for today. I think it's fresh. You look fresh, you look energetic, and your skin glows. So I hope you would have enjoyed this video. In case you want me to do more makeup tutorials on how you can do sometimes a better eye, or you can do a more glowy skin, what are the tips and tricks you can use in your makeup or for your natural glowing skin, let me know in comments. If this video get good amount of likes, I will do a part 2. See you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.